You know, remind them.
Right, you know what? Man's got a track out there. It's called X. Don't know if you heard it, but if you do hear it, support it. It's gonna come out soon.
It's massive.
So like, support
Check it out on YouTube.
Get me?
Alright, X. Alright, Mr. Engineer, run the track, please. This one's for all the ladies, independent ladies,
all the ladies.
and all the guys that like ladies. Alright? Yeah, 1, 2. It's Moonlight Dele, cold as ice. Shouts to the crew at the top. It's all good. Let me introduce myself. Listen, yo, my level's so high, I'm level-headed. I'm headed for the sky, bob your head, spit my lyrics. Keep me on your books like Moonlight was a merit. And hide it from your mind, cause you know he's gonna tear it. You know he can't bear it. He frowns when my crew tries by. But like most niggas, don't like when a nigga's so high. I answer same questions knowing that you can't reply. Why you stay with him when you know you should be mine? Sing, it's on. Yeah. Free. Sing. Hey. Yeah. Shouts to ladies. Yeah. Take it up. Who's ready? Second verse. Let's keep it real. You know just how I make you feel. My sex appeal makes your toes go and rub your heels. Body to kill, it's a 10 every time we deal. You should be mine, I'm just thinking if you ever will. I'll make you laugh, I'll brighten up that pretty face. He makes you cry and the tears make that smile erase. That nigga is a waste, he should be replaced. My double beds here for you up inside my place. In Miami, shopping all day. 5-star hotel, yeah, ML doesn't play. Order some wine, choose wine or rosé. Then sit back, relax, enjoy the foreplay. Wake up fresh, the breakfast ready made. Orange juice fresh with toast and marmalade. Shot till you drop, it's just another day. 7 of your legs up in the Escalade. Sing, oh, it's on, it's on, it feels. Free. Sing with it, sing. Yeah. 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 Okay. Hey, yo, my swagger keeps on going, so my skull's never going. My swagger keeps me cold like the UK when it's snowing. My swagger makes a whistle and yo, they keep blowing, and you might have a whistle and yo without knowing it's us, just like they like the US. And when we're in the US, we blow up with the newest level with the seats outside. Use the bluest, it will change a good regular yo into a newness. One more time, sing. It's on. It's fun. Free. Who's ready? So sing. Win. Last bit. So baby, let me take you away. Yo, thank you very much. Myself, Moonlight Dele. Look out for us. Check him out, check us out. Hope you have a nice night. Big up to Yusuf. Yeah, and keep doing what you're doing.
There's a performance, Moonlight Dele. First of many, trust me. That is, big up Snagga on the recording and thanks for the intro as well. Alright, check it out.